is my cousin. Say hi, Kai Kai. No. It's only you. Today we're gonna be eating the baby. We only gonna sit on the floor. I'll take the plate away from you. What is on here? Let me see.
I stepped off my board for a second and got the carpet fell off with me. This is extremely weird. I'll get your board back here.
Huwag mo kayo mabayuan, ma? Saan siya kagira pa yung kotse?
Sama ka nga? Ito mo lang yung pinakalat mo. Dahil nga, tabo mo lang ang saan niya mo lang sa kalin. Anong kalin mo kalin yan? Sa'yo? Oo, ikaw. Alam mo ko pa ba? Oo, na. Hindi, ito na ako.
I think he's having trouble seeing and hearing us. Jinx, call up to him as loud as you can. Volume up. Megaphone.
Jinx, not you?
Oh, my cousin joined in now.
Thanks for safely snatching me. Oh, hey, I can hear. But golly, my glasses are gone.
Nag-pray na kayo?
Followed that foot fish and created a cavalcade of chaos. I fear I failed to find that fish.
It's okay.
Ito, nagbagyak.
Get your glasses back so you can continue your search
Nag-pray
for the
ka rin?
fish.
Thanks, Ryder. I dropped them at the dock, along with my faithful phone.
Watch out. That walrus sure is a deep sleeper. I know.
It's a fly.
Yeah. Now we're going to get ito si Police. 911. This is a 911. She's police.
Great work, Suma.
Ba't
Now,
naman
where did you
kayo?
last
Ang
see your
pulis.
glasses, Captain Turbot?
She is. She's 199 is police.
Down there. Zuma, use your self to search the store for those glasses. Ready, set, and play.
Sabaw pa kayo.
Kanina may nakita akong mamo. Tignan mo. Picture. Tignan mo ah. Ma, nagbibidyo ako.
Ryder, I found your glasses. I couldn't pick them up in this car.
Ayun yung ano. Diba? Ayun yung monster. Monster. Gagawin sa camera.
Hindi nakabukas to. Pagpunta nyo, dali lang yun. Pagkaan nila.
Bilag mo dito sa may ano. Tignan mo. Ayun yung monster. Ayun. May nakita ako. Ayun o. Talaga may mamo. So scary. Ano? Ito. Laki-laki o. Laki ng ulo. Pinapakita.
Looks like it's stuck in there.
Meron ko sa bintana.
Just in
May
time.
multo, di ba?
Captain Turbot's
Tapos
got
ito din mo.
Great. Your
Tingnan mo.
forklift should be able to move them so we can grab it. You got it.
Pakita.
Ryder.
Ayun o. Saan?
Nice work. Let's bring this back to Captain Turbot.
Ito. Siya to.
I hope the foot fish haven't
Ito
fled.
yung kamay niyo.
I see those specimens.
Kita kita.
Tingin.